Hi, smart business owners and marketers. Today we will discuss how to create Google Tag Manager account and how to integrate Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website. So let's get started. So you can see a Google Tag Manager dashboard here. In the top drop down, you can see how many accounts here and which have you have access. So go here under this account. We can go to suppose to this one. I can say, and from here, so now you see this is the tag manager account. So under this account, you see from this account, and if we want to create another account, so let's say we select this account, and under this account we will create new account. So like this for this account, if I click here, so I can see say here is one account and this is the property, so we will create another one. So you see, first they are asking for a company name. um, so let's say this is a test company, and if select your country from here, I keep it United States, and I can share the data anonymously with Google and other platforms. Okay, and here the container name, put it www.test.com, and target platform, you can see there is a total 5 platforms. So this one we are working for web. So I will put it web. If you have a iOS app or Android, then you can select respectively or AMP. And the server, we will discuss about the server tracking in the end of this the series. So let's get started with the web, and now I will create this one. So I will accept all the terms and condition, and I will put here yes. So you see, this is the tag manager account we have created. So this is account is test name, and you see my container name, and this is actually our container ID. You can see I can close it, and from here you can see the same thing. So what we need to do, we need to insert this fast JavaScript code under the header of all of the website pages, and paste this body portion, the non JavaScript code, under the just under the body tag. So let's get started and do it for. So we are in WordPress dashboard. As I discussed earlier, we can integrate Google Tag Manager in two different options. One is direct script insertion, and other one is through plugin. So firstly, I will show you how to do it directly. Put the code. So first, I will go with the theme. So theme file editor, you can click on it, select it. Now you can see we got it the theme header, so click on it, and under theme header, this is the head. So under this head we can put the code. You can see here we direct inserted Google tag here. So just make it out. So we don't need it here. If we go to the Google Tag Manager and just copy it and put it here, and same like the non-script, we copy it and just under the body tag, under the header, you can see this is the body tag started from here, and we can see body is close here, paste it here, then just update the file. So this is one option. Another one, we can use plugins. So go to add plugin. Here you can get lot of plugins, but I recommend to GTM for GTM for WordPress. This one, if you are running e-commerce, this will be the best one to track all enhanced e-commerce data. But if you are lead-based business, then I can recommend you to direct insertion, because for leads actually we do tracking the form submission, clicks, and call click or email click. So all of this lead don't need a additional plugin to insert lot of code on your website, which can make it slow. So you can see the GTM for WP is here, so it's not inserted. So you see this is active, so you can go to the install plugin. I think you can do it. So once you install it, then you go here and you will find the setting under the general setting. You just put this GTM container ID, you will get from here. So go and put it here, the container put on off, so made it off. Then container capability, you made it footer of the page, and the basic data, all of this thing is something is needed for you. So you see under basic data, visit a lot of other informations you need to put, you can track. So here is the event, then it's called tracking, security, and then integration. You see if you contact form 7, and here a lot of other thing you can integrate here. So all of this advanced thing I will not discuss here today. So if you go for WooCommerce, then you can see there is a customer data layer, order data in data layer. This thing will be helpful for enhanced e-commerce tracking. So I think it's clear now for you how to do it. So thank you, and we will discuss more details on Google Tag Manager in next episode. So if you like our videos and get updated from our next videos, you can subscribe us. Thanks for watching.